Hello my beautiful YouTube friends. Welcome to my channel. This is Letty with Living Life with Letty. And in today's video I am going to show you how my friend Jonathan was making a table for my little Transit Connect. I needed a table badly because that way when I sit on my bed I can have something to put the laptop on or my iPad or whatever, and it'd be like a little desk. My granddaughter was the one that gave me the idea because I really didn't think there would be enough room, but when we measured, it's a little tight, but there is going to be room for a nice comfortable kind of table that will fold down and then it'll go back up when I'm not using it. I want to thank my granddaughter. She helped me a lot. I was there for the last 4 days, and I know it's really hard for her. She has 3 little kids, and so you know, her time is a little bit limited, but she did help me. She did the best that she could, and I really appreciate all her efforts and her help that she gave me. And I also appreciate Jonathan. He did, you know, he was doing a fantastic job. I think he's a great guy, and I just want to shout out and thank all, you know, everyone that has helped me, and also all my subscribers. Thank you so much. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you will stay with me. Let me take you on to this little project that we did, and if you're so inclined to do so, please hit subscribe. And so now let's go see Jonathan. Here's Jonathan. Say hello.
Hey guys.
You know what, because let me get, yeah, now I can see you. It's kind of dark that way, but anyway, Jonathan is going to be doing the work tomorrow. So we're going to try with some 2x4s, and he's going to build a little table that's going to lift up with some anchors. So we will see how. I'll let you know tomorrow. Tell me what you're going to do.
Okay, so we've got these 2x4s here. We're going to mount one here.
Okay.
And then we're going to put these on one side of it.
Okay.
And then we'll mount the second one to this.
Okay.
To get that height that you were wanting.
Right.
And the one that's high is what this is going to attach to.
Okay.
And it's going to be attached with some hinges so that it can fold up. And
Okay.
and then we'll have some Velcro straps that will attach to here when you're done using it.
Okay.
And you can
undo it
and then lay it down.
Okay.
And it should be good.
Sounds wonderful. These are the 2x4s to make the table. Okay. And there's Jocelyn. I think she thinks she's gonna drive. Say hi. Hi. Bye. Bye. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to stay so that Jonathan can finish the table. He was doing a fantastic job, but I had a family incident that I needed to take care of, so I had to leave abruptly, and unfortunately I wasn't able to stay so that he could finish the table. I'm hoping that sometime in the future I'll be able to return, and so that he can finish it. I've saved everything, so it's just a matter of anchoring and putting it together, and I really would like to be able to go back and have it finished, but in the meantime I wasn't able to. So again, my friends, thank you so much for joining me, and if you're new to my channel, like I said, please subscribe if you're inclined to do so, and hit like and share. And I would appreciate comments from anyone who sees the video and sees what Jonathan was doing. I would love to hear comments and see if you have any other ideas. Since it's not completed, maybe we can you know, do something different. But I think the way he was going to do it, I think it was perfect. I think it was going to work. Well, thanks again, and until then, my friends, remember that the sun will shine on you every day, and especially on your solar panels. Thank you. I love you all, and I'll see you next time.